Chords A, B and CD intersect inside a circle. So we've got chords A, B and CD, they intersect at this point here, P. If CP is 6, DP is 4 and AB is 11, find possible values of AP. Because it says possible values, then there are maybe more than one answer to this. So what we're going to do is annotate the diagram. So we know that this is true for intersecting circles, that AP times BP is equal to CP times DP. That distance times that distance is equal to that distance times that distance. Right, so from the question, CP is 6, DP is 4. Now we know that AB, so that's all of that distance, so to put that in, is 11. And what we've got to find is distance AP. So we're going to let AP be x and see if we can form an equation for this. So let AP be x. So what will be BP? Well, if this is 11 and this is x, then BP will be 11 minus x. So now we've got all the information we want. We've got AP, BP, and we were given CD and DP. So substituting into this formula, we've got AP, so formula an equation. AP is x times BP, which we've written down to be 11 minus x, is equal to CP, which is 6, times DP, which is 4. So expanding the bracket here, we're going to get 11x minus x squared, and 6 times 4 is 24. Now this is a quadratic equation. So notice we've got the mixture of two things here in one question. A little bit about circle theorems and forming and solving a quadratic equation. Right, to solve a quadratic equation, we put it equal to 0. So we're going to add x squared to this side and take 11x. So we're going to have x squared minus 11x plus 24 is equal to 0. Now you should by now be able to factorize something like that. So start with x and x. What are the factors of 24? Well, there's quite a few. 2 and 12, 3 and 8, 4 and 6. Now you'll probably see that 3 and 8 do actually add up to 11. So we'll put 3 in there and 8 in here, and we want a minus 11. So if we make that minus and that minus, that will be okay, because minus 3 times minus 8 does make plus 24. So either x minus 3 is equal to 0, which gives x is equal to 3, or x minus 8 is equal to 0, which gives x is equal to 8. So the possible answers are x is 3 or x is equal to 8. So this has been a video to show you how to solve finite length using intersecting chords inside a circle. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.